things that we can do to help our mums and dads while we are at home is to learn how to make some of our own food.
Toast.
So we're going to be talking about the toaster. So your toaster is only for things like bread and bagels.
And Eggos.
And Eggos. And your toaster has different settings on it. Some of you would have a toaster that goes all the way up to 10, but most toasters go between 1 and 5. So what do those numbers mean? Well, if I were to set my toaster to the number 1, this is how the toast would end up looking. If I were to set it to the highest setting, or number 5, this is how the toast would end up looking.
You get burnt toast.
We get burnt toast. So for most of the time we toast in our family, we toast between 3 and 4. So I have that down right now, and we're waiting for that to pop up. But while we do, for a lot of us, what we end up putting on our toast is butter and then maybe some jam, or we put on peanut butter.
And jam.
And then jam, or just peanut butter by itself. So Everett, if you can put your thumb beside there, for the amount of peanut butter that normally you would use on your toast, most of us, it would be about the size of our thumb. That's about how much peanut butter we would put on our knife. For the butter that we would need, most times, it's about half of that. So that's why we put the different toasts here to show you that. And it takes a bit of practice to learn how to spread out peanut butter or butter onto toast. So Everett is going to try to spread the peanut butter on this one here. Everett, can you take the peanut butter? So what we're going to do is we're going to try to get it all on the toast right away. You can hold the toast in one hand, and you're trying to spread it all, running the edge of your knife along the toast edge to get it all off of the knife onto the toast.
Surprise me.
And then taking it from that blob and working it out to the edges. So it takes a little bit of practice to do that. Everett is working on that. That's something that you can get better at home. And here is our toast that came out at the number 3 setting. And Roger is going to practice putting the butter on that one. So we're going to put it all right in the middle. Try to get it all off of our knife right onto the middle. And then using that round edge of our knife, we're going to work it out and try to spread it all the way to the edges. It takes a little bit of practice, but even if you don't get it right, it still tastes pretty good. And this is an easy way that you can make yourself some breakfast, lunch, or even supper and help out your mom or dad or grandma and grandpa while you're at home.
Bye-bye.